How to save InShot draft video and gallery. First things first is access your InShot application. From here, you can choose whether it's hang on, it's a video, photo, or a collage. Now, if you go ahead and create a new video, your draft or your unfinished edits is gonna be shown right here. So if you want this um, draft video to be saved to your gallery, you don't have any option. If you click the three dots right here, you don't have any options to save it automatically. All you have to do is to pull up the draft video and just go ahead and press on export. You can choose a resolution, frame rate, and format, and then go ahead and export it. Now from here, it will automatically save to your gallery, and you can choose whether to send it via any other platforms. So that's how you save InShot draft video to your gallery.